Fuzzy. So for lenses, we are discussing converging lens here. Converging lens, this point is optical center, center of the lens. This point F is smaller. This is principal focus. 2F, twice of focus, also known as center of curvature. No chatting is allowed. You need to speak up, okay? During class, I don't see chat box. Okay, then how would we draw the ray diagram? It is very easy. Just follow the rules. Let's say this pencil here represents the object. So ray of light that passes parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis, that means this. So if you say this is a ray of light that passes parallel to principal axis, after refraction, rule 1 was it passes through where? It passes through principal focus. So
सर आपकी आवाज बंद हो गई.
since I have been not talking recently, so beta, is this ray diagram clear to everyone? A light ray that passes parallel to principal axis is passing through after refraction, since this is a converging lens through where? Principal focus. Is this clear to everyone? Any questions so far? I'm not having any answers. Does that mean you know what I'm coming from, what I'm saying? No problems? Okay. So the other light ray which we have to draw is a light ray that passes through optical center. And as per the rule, light ray that passes through optical center remains undeviated. It passes right straight. So this is the light ray that passes through optical center. And the intersection of these light rays, as you can see clearly, gives you the image. So this is the image here. So this represents your image, the green one. So this arrow should be somewhat here like this. This is the image and this is the object. So if I ask you the characteristics of the image, then what would that be? So image is clearly real and inverted. First, then it is smaller in size, am I right? And also it is on the other side of the lens, am I right? And I can also specify the location. If my object was beyond 2f, you can see this object distance is u, it is more than 2f. So image is where? Image is present, that is image distance is v. It is between f and 2f. So it is less than 2f and more than f. But I'm sorry, I won't be taking charts. You need to speak up, okay? So location is here. This is all that we need to understand through a ray diagram. And obviously speaking, we would be practicing the questions on the past papers. So moving on.
सर इसमें
Yes.
जैसे ये लेंस है, इसमें व्यूअर का है, मतलब हम देख कहाँ से रहे हैं और हमें क्या दिख रहा है?
That is great. So if we talk about a lens such that this is a lens, okay? Precisely, it's a camera lens. Let's discuss this. It's a camera lens. So you are here. You are the what? Object. I'm sorry. You are the viewer, and this represents the object. So this casts this image here, and you see this. So you are always on the side of the image. You get this? So viewer is here. Okay, you get this?
जी सर.
Okay, sir.
So let's talk about human eye, for example. So if we are talking about human eye, this is the lens and this is the retina. You must have heard this term, retina. So all the images found by the human eye are created on the retina. So if this is the object here, you see this. This is connected to brain through nerves. You get this? Hello, do you get this?
जी सर जी.
And one more thing that we need to understand is this is a physical image. This image is a physical image. Image inside the lens of a camera is a physical image. For example, if you are sitting in a camera, in a cinema. So this is the projector and this is the screen. So what you see is a physical existence of the image through a lens. Do you get this? So this image that can be shadowed onto a screen, that can be displayed onto a screen is a real image. That is the very definition of the real image. You can cast the shade of the image on that screen, and even you can adjust the size of the image, and you can see the image. It is formed by the direct intersection of the refracted rays. Okay.
सिंपली ये बस याद रख लेना कि जब रेज ने इंटरसेक्ट हो रही होती हैं तो रियल इमेज होती है, वरना वो रियल होती है. जैसे मिरर में नहीं इंटरसेक्ट हो रही होती है.
Yes.
और सर
This is what I discussed in the school, in the class. Yes.
आप कह रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे इसको प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो जैसे फर्स्ट वाला केस है उसमें अगर जहाँ पे इमेज बन गई है उस पे हम लोग स्क्रीन रख दें, फिर व्यूअर कहाँ होगा? फिर भी व्यूअर उसके पीछे ही होगा. मतलब
screen means you are projecting an image onto something. That means you right now are not concerned with the viewer. So if let us assume you say that okay, we place a screen here. Okay, so now you need to be here somewhere so that you can watch what is happening on the screen. You get my point?
सही.
Else if this screen is transparent, then you can see through this here. In modern cinemas, they use a mirror screen, which they can make audience sit on both the sides, as happens in certain drive-through cinemas. Okay. So can I move further?
Yes.
I need to erase this. Okay. So next is, if let's say my object is at 2f, as it is here. So if my object is at 2f, so again, these rules are already discussed in the online classes, that if a light ray is parallel to principal axis, again, what happens next? It passes after refraction through principal focus. Like this. So first light ray after refraction passing through focus. Second light ray that passes through optical center remains undeviated. It never changes the direction. So So see this. This is the other light ray that passes through what? Optical center. Beta, are you guys with me?
जी sir.
Jazakallah.
G.
Thank you. And someone is still writing in the chat box. Please, somebody tell him that I won't be using that chat.
Oh, Hari bhai, chat box.
Please, yaar.
So this would be the image. See, if you guys are drawing this on a graph paper and you are using proper tools, perfect ruler, perfect pencil, your diagrams would be far more better, far more excellent, which what I am doing right now. This is what? Image. So as you can see now, you can name the characteristics of the image. First, real and inverted. Then second, what's that? Equal in size. Am I right? Third, if your object is at 2f, so your image is also at 2f. So if I give you the practical example of case 1, so practical example of case 1 can be possibly a camera, can be a human eye, where you and I and a camera creates an image that is far smaller in size as compared to the original object. And when I talk about case 2, I can give you an example of a photocopier machine, where you made photocopies of a paper and you get equal sized copy of that image. Okay. So is this understood and clear?
सर ये दूसरी एग्जांपल समझ नहीं है फोटोकॉपी.
Photocopy. See, if you, for example, if you photocopy a page, so the resultant copy of that page, there is an original copy and the photocopied page. There is no change in size. Am I right? They are exactly equal in size, unless you make micro for your, assessments, or for past papers, or for some formula. Normally, it is equal in size. Am I right? So let's save this. I'll share this. Lenses work sheet solution 11E part 1. I'll share this on the WhatsApp. Okay. We have a high quality image for you guys. Coming towards the other part. Okay, so this is 3. So in this case, the object is placed. Object is placed where?
Between F and 2F.
Between where? F and 2F. Any ideas where would the image be?
Beyond 2f.
That's great, because this is exactly the reverse of what? Case?
1.
Case 1.
1. Yes, excellent. Where the object was originally beyond 2f and the image was between f and 2f. So this is how lens works. Okay. So if I start up again, I'm sorry, beta, it is taking me too much time because these tools are, I'm just learning how to use them. So okay, this is, what is this? Yeah. Angle -0, this is fine. So a line, a light ray that is parallel to the principal axis should pass through what? Focus. So it should be passing right through the focus. These are my neighbors, not me. Okay. So then this, yeah, doesn't look okay. So here you can see this, that they intersect beyond 12. So this is your image. This is your light base. This is your object. This is the image. So object distance u. Beta, can we just rejoin the meeting? Or we can continue? Okay, we can continue. We have 10 minutes, no issues. So, okay, object is placed. Object is more than f. And it is less than 12. Object is between f and 12. So image is beyond 12. Okay, so characteristics of the image. Number 1, real and inverted. Number 2, magnified. And again, on the other side of the lens, as you can see. So a practical example for this case, anyone? Where you get a magnified image. It can be either
Magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass,
excellent,
Projector.
microscope.
Magnifying glass magnifies an image larger than the size discussed here. So right now we are not discussing magnified glass. Anything else? Neither a microscope, because microscope is
Projector.
one lens.
Projector.
Microscope is basically a combination of multiple lenses. So projector, yes, and it may be a photocopier, okay, where you magnify and then you make copies.
Yes.
Okay. So I am recording this.
फोटोकॉपियर वाला तो
Yes.
सब में डल सकता है. फोटोकॉपियर तो सब में डल जाएगा कि छोटा करके या बड़ा करके.
Case 1, case 2 and case 3, yes, exactly. But the relevant example, the more appropriate example would be a projector, where you get an image large on the wide screen. Okay. Okay. So moving on, let's save this.
Sir, divergent इसका कब करें?
Beta, I'm sorry, Arham Ammar, your voice was too echoing. Hello. He's not with us. Okay, no issues.
Sir, divergent lenses का कब करेंगे? जो divergent lenses ये questions थे ना?
Okay. We'll do this. I have shared the worksheet already. So that worksheet initially has converging lenses and then it refers to the diverging lenses. We'll move to that. Anyone was having another question? I guess it was Mohammad Abdul Rahman.
सर जो ये पहली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड ये कभी अलग होती है?
Yes.
same
Yes. Just wait for a while. Since that is the very reason I apologize, because I am very slow in solving this now, since it requires a lot of practice. So the other parts in the given worksheet, question 5, 6, 7, it might let your all queries clear that we are going to discuss diverging lens, yes, and it might be a virtual, oh, this is wrong. It might be a case for virtual and inverted also. Virtual and erect, not inverted. So your object here is play that principal focus. So any ideas where the image would be if your object is at focus?
इसकी तो बनती नहीं है ना सर, वो कुछ अजीब सा हो जाता है या बनती है diffuse पढ़ा था मैंने.
We'll see. Yes. Where is Hamza and Sarim? Usaid is already there. So where would the image be? Anyone? No one? Okay, fine.
सर ये भी beyond 2f ही होगी ना?
No.
तेरे
इस पे ही बनेगा.
Usaid was right here. What he said. Just think on that. Okay, so please be right. Please be right. Please be right. Please be right. Please don't be wrong. Please. Alhamdulillah. Now, yeah. You can see this. Now, this is easy. Oh, sorry. This is my object. Am I right? So I can write the object distance equal to f. But where is the image? You can't locate the image. Am I right?
जी सर.
So what should I write?
Okay, sir.
What should I write? Think.
अच्छा नहीं सर, ये तो same side of lens होगी ना?
No.
As object.
No. You are close.
पैरेलल है, सेम पे भी नहीं बनेंगे.
You are close. Same side case would be the case of when we are talking about our diverging lens or rays diverging after refraction. These are not divergent rays. So what I can say is that this is what I discussed. Image, since I don't know where it is, so I would say image at infinity. What is infinity? An undefined place, an undefined length, never-ending length.
कभी नजर ही नहीं आएगा.
Not exactly like this, but if, for example, I am here, see, I can be here or I can be here. Let's consider this. If I am on this side of the lens, this is a viewer. So that viewer would be seeing a highly magnified image. And since I'm left with only 3 minutes, so I would love if you guys rejoin so that I can explain this. Okay, I'm ending this meeting and I'm rejoining it. Okay.